Now we demonstrate air conditioner variable frequency compressor detector. Hot chest, 5 horsepower variable frequency air conditioner compressor. It mainly includes 5 steps. The first step is operation steps. There are prompts here. Connect the UVW of the air conditioner compressor and connect the wires. The second step is to restore the knob to the leftmost. Then select the air conditioner or fan. We are testing the compressor now, so we choose air conditioner. Then press the power switch on the left to power on. After electrifying, press the start switch. Then turn the knob to the right and adjust the speed to within 30%. The compressor has started. The test is over. We can directly turn off the power. Turn off on the left. 已经 off.